I'm Eran and I teach in the environmental science program at UAS.
And my name's Logan Brenner, and I'm a member of the environmental science program.
We're going to go up and GPS some points around the North Star camp that we can remeasure in the fall to look at glacier velocity, and then we're going to collect some water samples that we're using for a glacier hydrochemistry project that we're working on.
The UAS Environmental Science Department has several ongoing research projects which involve bringing students onto the ice field to measure characteristics such as density, ice flow, and terminus change. Now over the Juneau ice field, heading to the Mendenhall Glacier. The ice field is 50% larger than the state of Rhode Island and feeds numerous glaciers throughout the region. Approaching the North Star Base Camp, where our fieldwork begins. The ice at Base Camp is over 1,000 feet thick and moves at a rate of about 1 foot per day. It's part of the UAS mission to incorporate the environment into students' coursework. Of course, this doesn't always include helicopter rides to the Juneau ice field, but for environmental science students, it's definitely one of the perks.
Here we're collecting some water samples to see the chemical signature of the glacier ice melt, and then we can compare that to the chemistry of the Mendenhall River downstream and try to get a sense for how much the glacier contributes to stream flow within the river, because obviously the river is getting water from other places in the watershed besides just the glacier.
I think it's a pretty amazing opportunity to have. There are very few places in the world that you could come and spend a couple of hours up on a glacier taking various type of measurements.
Could you actually point to your university from here?
Yeah, the university would be right down there. I'd guess about 10 kilometers or so. From the college, you can look up and see almost where we're at. We're a little bit out of view, but pretty close. It's right there. After our treacherous day of hiking around the glacier, taking water samples in the name of science, it's time to head back and call it a day.
I have to say class dismissed. I don't know if I can do that. Alright. Class dismissed.
To learn more about studying environmental science at UAS, visit their website or contact